opens his wing. Oh my god, I never.
Sorry, what is this?
It's a ladybird.
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 Sulaiman, it's your turn. Come.
Oh.
What about mine?
Daddy.
Hmm.
Wait.
Baba, no.
Excuse me.
Come on. Ladybird. I want a ladybird.
It's gonna open its wings first.
Give to Sulaiman, son.
Give me. Give me.
Get it. Oh, go in his hand. Go in his hand.
Is it?
No, go in his hand. Go in. Why are you pulling off it? My hands now.
You scared, Musa?
What? No, but he's.
Big, 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 big.